Hi guys, my name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I will show you how to use the Snail mucin and your retinol, in my case, Tretinoin, in your skincare routine. So, I will let you know what time of day you should use these two products in your skincare routine, and I will let you know basically the steps to take, and I'll give you some advice as well. So, let's begin. What you want to do is you want to cleanse your face first with a gentle cleanser. I have cleansed my face, and now the next step you will take is to dampen your skin. So in this case, I'll be using this thermal spray to dampen my skin just gently. So in the absence of a hydrating toner, you can just use water. Okay, let me show you how you use your toner if you have a hydrating toner. So note that I said hydrating toner. So if you have those toners with actives such as AHA, BHA, those are not the kind of toners I'm talking about. The toners I'm talking about are the ones that are just basically hydrating, that have soothing and calming ingredients, such as the Liz Earl. Then this one is from Simon Urian, and it's just a very, very mild and gentle toner. So you just want to, if you have your toner, you can gently dampen your skin like so, Then at this point you want to go in with your Snail mucin. So just 2 pumps will do. 1, 2, and you gently pat and push this into your skin like so. So if you do not use this Snail mucin, if you use it on dry skin, you might further dry your skin out. So this is really good because it helps to hydrate the skin, and hydrated skin equals healthy skin, equals plump skin. So this is how you want to push it in, and after you're done applying it, wait some time for it to fully absorb before you carry on to the next step. So at this point, when your face is thoroughly dry, you want to proceed with your retinol. But in my case, I have the Tretinoin, and this is from Dermatica. So what I would say is this: if you find out that your retinol or your Tretinoin is a bit harsh, what you want to do is at this point go in with your moisturizer. Do the sandwich method. I'll be sure to link the video showing this in the description box for you to check out. So you want to do the sandwich method, where at this point you use your moisturizer next. Wait a while, then go in with your Tretinoin or retinol. But for me in this case, since my face can tolerate this, so I will go in with just 1 pump, and 1 pump equals pea size. So do not overuse your retinol or Tretinoin. Just follow the desired direction, and you want to place, basically this is how I do it. I like to do some dots all over my face, then gently massage it and spread it evenly on my skin. And I do not use this every single day. I use this say 3 times a week, and the other times I will focus on hydration of my skin. So this is how you want to use your retinol or Tretinoin if you have it with your Snail mucin. And I would say at this point you just wait a little bit, for just a few minutes, for it to absorb, then you proceed to the next step. And so this is the point where you want to go in with a moisturizer. Never end here. Do you understand? So don't just use the Snail mucin, it's not a moisturizer, and then don't just end at your retinol or your Tretinoin. You always have to seal everything in, lock everything in with a hydrating moisturizer. And in this case, I'll be using Dr. Jat's Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. I've nearly run out of this. This pairs well with Tretinoin, retinol, because it helps the skin barrier basically, and it's also good for people with flaky skin. And yes, I've just been loving this. And this is how you want to use your moisturizer, the moisturizer of your choice. it seems like I didn't take enough, so I will be going in with more moisturizer because I need to extend this to my neck. So I just take a tad bit, yes, and apply this on my neck as well. It is very essential that you use a moisturizer afterwards. This would further help to nourish the skin and prevent the skin from drying out, because tretinoin, they dry the skin out really well. So even if you have oily skin, don't hesitate to use a moisturizer to seal everything in, and the moisturizer will also ensure that the goodness of the snail mucin gets locked in, so the hydration stays locked in and your skin remains plump and supple. So at what point in your skincare routine do you use these products? You only use these products at night. When I mean these products, the combination, the snail mucin and the tretinoin, should only be used at night time. So your retinols and tretinoin should only be used at night time, but your snail mucin can be used in the morning and at night. And please endeavor to use your broad spectrum SPF in the daytime. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below, and I will be sure to catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.